Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to join Fiverr as a freelancer. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started creating our account or logging in if we already have one. So what you want to do is click the sign in button if you already have an account, or if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after creating one you can log in, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the sections you can access, you can see other gigs people are posting and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with becoming a freelancer and offering our job services. What we have to do guys is simple, and all we have to do is just go right here into the upper right corner and click on our profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, it's going to open up this new drop-down menu with all the options, and one of them is going to be become a seller. So what you want to do is go ahead and click become a seller. After clicking become a seller, it's going to open up this new page where we can get started with becoming a seller by clicking this button right here. As you can see, now we can get started with selling. So we can click continue, and this will bring us to this page where we can fill out our form with personal info and so on. And after clicking on finish, after entering all the info, as you can see, now we can get started posting our gig. So as you can see, here is our gig. We can get started posting what we know. Let's say you know how to design websites or graphical design, doesn't matter, whatever you know, post it right here, provide all the info, pricing and so on. And after confirming your identity, then you will be able to post your gig, and after that people will be able to hire you for the job. But yeah guys, that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.